Nature rewards those who respect it, and it shows its gratitude by offering them its finest fruits. Macè's story began over 25 years ago with nature, fruit, and care. Selecting the best fruit, respecting the different seasons. Macè isn't just looking for oranges, it wants those oranges. And when it chooses an apple, it wants that apple, the very best, the most natural. A supply chain that involves careful checks and traceability. Macè fruit salads are created in a way that only those who love fruit can achieve. Passion, creativity, and experience, combined with a desire to innovate, have naturally led to evolution, from fruit to juices. To preserve vitamins and antioxidants, the fruit is always pressed at low temperature. And here, Macè has chosen something special, HPP, high-pressure processing. The juices are stabilized in a high-pressure chamber which, unlike pasteurization, preserves all their quality, aroma, and flavor. With no colorings or preservatives, the HPP treatment ensures that Macè fruit retains its fresh quality and flavor for longer. A technology that requires a lot of energy. To protect the environment, Macè now generates over 100% of its energy needs by combining solar power and biogas. Macè's fresh fruit and juices have always been driven by a commitment to respect, for the fruit, for people's well-being, and for the planet. There is a quest for authentic and surprising flavors, driven by passion, expertise, and creativity. All this is Macè. Macè, raw, healthy, delicious.